In this video, I will show how to find percentage in Excel. So I have this dummy data. To get the percentage, you need two columns, total marks and obtained marks. To get the obtained marks, you can use sum formula, equal and sum, and select subjects. Press enter. Now drag and drop. So now we have total marks and obtained marks. To calculate percentage, we will use formula equal and select obtained marks. Divide, so enter the slash, then total marks. Now star, asterisk, so enter the asterisk and 100. Press enter. So this way you can calculate percentage. If you not get this type of number, so right click on it, format cells, and in the number just select two decimal. If you see one or like this, so select two decimal and click on OK. And if you need percentage sign, so click here, again right click on it, format cells, and select the two decimal, click on OK. Format cells, in the number make the 0 and click on OK. So this way you can remove this extra. So thanks for watching.